Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a piping hot cup of coffee in your hand right now, because right here in front of us we have the K&F Concept 2-in-1 selfie stick and tripod. This is a very compact tripod selfie stick, and that's why I got my hands on it. Let's go ahead and get it on out. Now, a couple different reasons why I like this particular one, we're gonna get into that, is because if I am up doing some vlogging on the mountain, skiing, snowboarding, and you wanna get some still shots, doesn't have to be on the mountain, then this is where this comes in nice and beautifully handy, especially because they do give you a GoPro mount as well, which we can see right here. It has the screw on the bottom, and they also do give you a little instruction menu and a Bluetooth remote control with a little wrist strap here as well. Okay, let's take a look at it a little bit closer here. Now, this is nice and tight here, so you might need to use two hands. And you're gonna loosen your ring up here at the top here. And then what this does, obviously, comes down just like this here. We're gonna have to switch over cameras so we can get a little bit more room so we can show you the full features. So let's do that now. Now, you don't have to have it that fold out if you don't want to. You can adjust that and then lock it into position with this little screw ring right here as well. And then you just pull the top of it, and this is the height of it right here. Let me flip the camera around. As you can see here, I am 5'9", and so it's just a little bit lower than my hair right here for the top height right here. But let me show you the difference between my tripod that we started filming on. As you can see the footprint, look at the footprint compared to this thing. Let's go ahead and just put that over there like that there. So if you're traveling, look at this, shoving that in your backpack, breaking that thing down and setting that thing up. This is my beautiful puppy right here. She's helped me out with the video, but we're not done. This thing has many more really sweet features to it here. So on this side, this pulls down, this goes up like this for your cell phone. A little tricky with one-handed, but that expands as well. So your phone can sit in there, and those are nice soft pads. If you are wondering, I've already cracked my screen, as you can tell, with the purple and green line, but looking absolutely sharp with the built-in cell phone holder right there. On the top, you have a little indentation right here for your mic stand, or an LED light for vlogging. And as you can see here, it holds a DSLR with a pretty beefy lens on here. Nice and steady. Obviously, the higher you go, it does get a little thinner. So if you are in an atmosphere where it tends to maybe kind of wobble on you just a little bit, you can go ahead and just kind of hold it like this if you're at the beach, shooting a surf contest, etc. or snowboarding, but easily able to grab it just like this here and then place it where you need to place it, prop down your feet. And again, because of the weight of it, it's just slightly flexing a little bit when you do put it down. And so again, in a high windy situation, I mean, let's go ahead and just show you here. Let's say the wind's blowing a little bit here. If you have a very expensive DSLR, you might just want to grab it with one hand, like I said, and kind of just brace it. And then this is what the GoPro looks like with it on it right here with the provided mount once again. And you have your little Tighten wheel right here, which is easily able to tighten up to the bracket, the mount, whatever you're using. It does have soft pads on the back right here for your DSLR that was underneath the DSLR. And of course, with a light camera like this, absolutely no worries. Goodness gracious, the GoPro is a beast as well. Looking really strong right there. It also, of course, has your little pivot tilt wheel. Loosen that little wheel, tighten it back on, and then you have that down shot right here. Of course, left or right, leveling it out to whatever specific angle that you like. I really like the footprint, and that's why, again, I got my hands on it here. Lastly, then you use it as an adjustable selfie stick here with your tripod footings here folded in, tighten up your ring, and then of course you can expand this or de-expand it, if that's even a word. So when you're skiing or snowboarding, you could have it up like this on the chairlift, etc. And so literally this tripod is all your different mounts you need, etc. Not to mention how small that folds up as well. So again, this is the size of my hand here. I do have large hands, but easily slip that into your backpack, your camel pack, while you're mountain biking, etc. Very small footprint. Now I'm wearing a helmet. I was doing another segment for a different product. I'm actually using the tripod selfie stick right now in the cell phone mode. I'm actually filming with my smartphone right here. I just set you down. I literally just used it. It's in the holder right now. Works great. Really enjoy it. And I really like all the different features it has for it. Well, guys, once again, in the top link of the description box right below the video will be this exact same 2-in-1 selfie stick, tripod. I would actually call it a 3-in-1 because you go GoPro, DSLR, or smartphone camera But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I will see you guys on the next video. My name's Chris.